Good day everyone, it's Chanel here, and today I have a DIY shadow box frame art that I am going to do myself. It will cost you half the cost of what you normally see in your local home decor stores. The items you will need, of course, a shadow box frame, the item placed inside of your shadow box, mat board, and a glue gun. And as you can see here, it is again a simple shadow box frame that I picked up at my local home decor store, and you will remove all of the backings as usual. Use your backing from the actual frame paper, and you will cut to size the mat board so that it will fit inside, and that will be your background for your object and what your object that you frame will sit or that is glued on. And as you can see here, I use the coasters, well, a coaster, mat that was cut to size on top of the mat board so that I could center the object that I was going to place inside of the shadow box frame. Glued it down. Use your glue setting on high heat. Apply your glue generously on the object and press firmly down. And here you see the completed framed art, and I'll show you in the next video in a decorate with me in the bathroom. Now this is something that you can do in your home. That's why I'm showing you that it's low cost and that can add a beautiful accent to any space in your home. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and definitely hit that subscribe button.